V squat machine. Place your feet in the middle of the foot pad. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart with slightly flared toes. Push back onto the back breast support. Head upright, chest upright, core muscles tight. Shoulders are securely under the pad. Hands firmly holding on. Elevate yourself up, release the latch. Then come down on the eccentric motion, slow and controlled, breathing in until you are just past parallel. Slight pause, contracting the glutes, hamstrings and quad muscles. Then driving up on the concentric at a medium pace. Breathing out at the top of the lift with a slight pause, squeezing the quad muscles. Please don't lock the knees at the top of the lift as we don't want to apply pressure and cause an injury over time. Then continuing each repetition with correct form and technique.